When this shameless squatter didn't pay a single dime of rent for 7 years, she had no idea what was coming next.
She never was supposed to live in the property. It was for our son. And I don't know when he brought her in.
Okay.
They don't pay rent, which that was the agreement with our son. They were supposed to pay utility. That dwindled to just almost nothing where I pay all the utilities.
And the house is destroyed. She has kicked holes and
Is your son still there?
he's in prison.
He's in prison.
He's in jail.
He's in jail. All right. So she has no landlord-tenant relationship with you. So you're asking this court at this time to order her to vacate this property?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, can you explain to the court why you should have rights to be living in this property if there's no landlord-tenant relationship?
Yeah, I've lived there since day one. She was fully aware that we were living in there.
Okay.
Can't pay the utilities when they won't allow us to put it in our name.
Okay. So you don't give the money to her to cover the cost of the utilities?
She never wanted to download any apps, never wanted anything. That was fine.
I understand something here, okay? You don't take cash to her to say, ma'am, here's the money for this.
Right.
Have you taken cash to her for any
She never asked
utilities?
for it. She never asked for it.
Okay. So you have no lease with them. So you're kind of what we call a tenant at will. They willfully allow y'all to live there.
Right.
Now that her son is currently incarcerated, she is wanting to kind of get things in order and she doesn't want you on this property. So can you give me a legal right why you should be able to stay on this property?
I've lived there for 7 years. We've lived there for 7 years.
Okay. What legal right under the Texas Property Code? What legal right do you have in reference to being able to live on this property rent-free?
She wants to do this now after 7 years. I'm 8 months pregnant. Dad, their son, is currently in jail, about to be out, and she wants to do it without him present. Really, everything's like about their relationship. Like, I'm just here for the ride, I guess,
Okay.
you know? So.
Well, she's filed a suit against you, not her son. You're not a daughter-in-law, correct? You're just a girlfriend? Are y'all legally married?
No.
Okay.
I was asking about things that needed to be repaired on the house that we've been talking about for quite a while.
Mhm.
And the eviction only came after that. As soon as I said I wanted to try and figure out how to make the repairs, then the eviction.
Anything else?
I mean, that's really it.
Repairs had nothing to do with it. We've done repairs. We've spent thousands of dollars on the air conditioner. You know, every time Thad has called me, we've done whatever needs to be done, period. You know, it's my mother's home. We don't want it falling down, but it is a dump at this point. It's like a flop house.
This is how this has to work. You have no right to live there, okay? If she's asking to move and you haven't moved, then at this time you're hereby ordered to vacate this property.
Okay.